kuti yani kutopinda mugedhi mota yakatanyawa kuti yani Hey! My bad car. Don't you jump with it? Married? Pass off around my ass in Bueshiti. Which is that about take a gown now? It's a gown now. Changam, it's a gown now. It's a gown now. Jerry, what? I do say.
Yeah, it's like you don't mean
You was come on, what a little.
I'm coming over now.
I'm saying last time that I put that you boots in the Shena. Bandi you.
Ah, no, that's
you know what I was
yeah, I'm doing. I thought I actually must do this. I should dig things.
You know what I was
Yes.
It would have been. Couldn't have done. Married. Napita spare my home saying, wait till you move, wait is Buddha Jason, that's not a band. Buddha Jason, wait away to show up God's Mukura, wait to for me, wait to wait. Some didn't know what I was there.
Yes, it's one of my pieces.
It will be you, Ruchi, and
I am very
absolutely.
Those days I'm about getting to let's give it a break since the system is see me.
Yeah, and I insist the show, that I insist the show to me the show. Hey! But I'm not going to put in any that's my boots in never seen.
I don't think that my neighbors are ginger.
Wow.
Yes.
Maushanda kupi machi.
I told you one time which I did, you know, it's a lot of motion and it's not the time and I also part of them. So just got me a house for my Benes as part of my
Whatever.
Yes. This is small one.
Wow.
Only 15 rooms.
Yes, so good. Do you do it?
Yes, yeah, it's me. Yeah.
Wow.
So, how are you doing these days?
I'm fine. I wanted to do one round.
Oh.
You see, and I sure
I just like her. She's disabled. She's
disabled. Waiting. Waiting for Papa.